guys, in this video we're gonna take apart a Zongshen 190 engine, and yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. Pre-owner said it's not running, so I'm just gonna pick it up and we will see what it has. Ooh, that was heavy. So we are gonna just probably open it up and see what we got. Phew, that's a big engine. Which is not really good. So yeah, that's how it looks in the inside. It has no electric start on it. That's, as you said it before. Let's see how we can turn it over. At least it turns free on this case. Oh, it turns over freely, nothing back there.
Production.
So I got all the gears off. I put them in the way they were on here. So I don't have something like that laying around, so I'm just gonna see if I can order that. I probably don't need the teeth, the gears and stuff. I don't really need this shaft. I hope I can buy this single without these gears, because I don't want to spend much money on this engine. Because yeah, who wants to go more expensive? So probably that's the end of the video. What do you learn out of that? Just be careful when you kick your bike over. You can really damage your engine really hard by kicking it wrong, and yeah, then you have to take it completely apart, which is definitely not nice. You see how much power this kickback has. Adjust your carb so you get better kickback. Don't buy these inner rotor or smaller ignitions, just stay at the original one. This is the original one. Your engine can still have kickbacks, but it's definitely a lot better with these bigger flywheels than on the smaller. So yeah, what I wanted to show you right now is this bike. I started rebuilding the last video. I couldn't do the next video, yeah, because a lot of fires are missing, and yeah, I'm sorry for that, but actually this bike is pretty much ready. As you see, it has the wrong rim in the back. I think it will look a lot better in here. Let's see if it matches up to the front. Not really. It's kind of more faded. It's not that bad. Definitely better than this one. Also got some more parts in here, like this one, like the sprocket. Oh man, fuck. The engine plate, skid plate, belongs to be underneath there. I also got these hand guards. I don't know if I can make this fit because the fittings are actually missing, so I don't know. I don't even know how they look on here, but actually they wouldn't be looking that bad, but yeah, I kind of have to see how I can get them on here. Probably it's this way, I think. Yeah, that's the way. So that don't really fit, because I don't have these stuff to put it on. But yeah, okay, not that bad. And I have two new brake rotors. I can definitely put this one on. So we're gonna have some good stopping power. And yeah, that's probably the end of the video.